Nike continues to elevate its running lineup with the Nike Pegasus Premium Alabaster, an upcoming release expected for the spring-summer 2026 season. This model is built to balance daily training comfort with modern performance innovation. The shoe features a soft alabaster yellow engineered mesh upper that delivers breathability while maintaining a supportive structure. Eye-catching Voltice and barely Volt accents wrap around the midfoot and extend into the sculpted midsole, giving the silhouette a bold and futuristic look. Black swoosh logos on both sides add contrast and keep the design grounded. Underfoot, Nike Air Zoom cushioning provides responsive energy return, making it suitable for long runs and everyday wear. A subtle purple gradient detail at the heel adds a premium visual touch. With a durable rubber outsole and smooth transition geometry, this pair stays true to the Pegasus reputation for reliability. The Nike Pegasus Premium Alabaster is expected to release on Nike platforms in 2026.